Who really owns Favepay? It's a question that's been buzzing around the fintech scene, especially after its recent surge in popularity. Let's dive deep and uncover the truth behind this intriguing question. Favepay, the digital payment platform that's been making waves, has captured the attention of many. Its seamless user experience, coupled with attractive features, has led to rapid growth and adoption. But who's the mastermind behind this innovative platform? The parent company. While Favepay operates as a standalone brand, it's actually a subsidiary of a larger, more established company. The parent company name, is a multinational conglomerate with a diverse portfolio of businesses. They've been a significant player in the industry for decades, and their investment in Favepay is a testament to their commitment to innovation and digital transformation. The visionary leadership. Behind the scenes of Favepay, a team of dedicated professionals is working tirelessly to drive its success. Led by CEO name, a visionary entrepreneur with a deep understanding of the fintech industry, the team is committed to revolutionizing the way we pay. CEO name's expertise, combined with the support of the parent company, has been instrumental in Favepay's rapid growth. The future of Favepay. With the backing of a strong parent company and a talented leadership team, Favepay is poised to continue its upward trajectory. The company has ambitious plans for the future, including expanding its services to new markets and introducing innovative features to enhance the user experience. Addressing common misconceptions. There have been some misconceptions about the ownership of Favepay. Some people mistakenly believe that incorrect information. However, it's important to clarify that correct information. The impact of Favepay. Favepay is not just a payment platform, it's a catalyst for change. By simplifying digital payments and promoting financial inclusion, Favepay is empowering individuals and businesses alike. As the company continues to grow, it has the potential to reshape the fintech landscape and make a significant impact on society. So, who really owns Favepay? The answer is parent company name. While the platform may operate independently, it benefits from the resources, expertise, and support of a larger organization. With a strong leadership team and a clear vision for the future, Favepay is well positioned to become a leading player in the global fintech industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.